It's easy to get lost at university. What do you do? Where do you go? What do you expect? Which path do you take? The best thing that you can do is to just pick a direction and go with it. Use your first year as an opportunity to find out what works for you and to go your own way.
I won't lie to you. Research at uni is completely different from at A-level. Because at uni, there is no right answer. Check out those study guides, check out York Notes, check out Spark Notes, because you can find your own path. It helps if you can use your personal interest, because uni is about finding your academic voice and what works for you. Don't worry about sounding clever, posh, or, dare I say it, sagacious. And remember, no Spark Notes. Time for me to get off now.
Getting a bad mark at university is not necessarily a negative thing. Everyone is feeling the same at some point, they just don't necessarily show it. Personally, when I received my first tutor, I was really quite upset, but it's learning to take those experiences and change them into something really positive. Talk to your seminar tutors, talk to your friends, talk to your parents. That's how you're going to make your next essay better. Everyone is feeling the same at some point.
One of the key things in first year is to form opinions of things, especially about the compulsory modules. Now, it's totally okay and normal to not be able or not like one of the first 4 modules, but you just have to remember why they're there. The module conveners don't set them so they hate you, they set them because of the skills you take from them. Also, if you ever spot a theme or a character in a book you find particularly interesting or cool, talk about it. For example, if you do Epic into novel and absolutely can't stand Achilles, but think Tom Jones is the perfect guy for you, talk to someone about it. Talk to your friend or a seminar tutor. It's about starting a conversation.
Seminars are important. Use them to discuss and develop your ideas. And your seminar tutors are there to help you. They're not trying to catch you out. Make use of their office hours to get guidance on your essays, and when you receive feedback, make sure you go and discuss it with them. This will help you to get the most out of the essay writing process.